Well guys, we finally got off the old muffler. We're gonna get the new pipe welded to this because that's just rusted, but I'm gonna fire it up just now, straight piped. Let's see how she sounds. I'm so excited. Under here is actually not that rusted, it's pretty good. I'm surprised with this one. So we're gonna fire it up just now. Right? Yo, that sounds nice. Yo, that sounds so nice. It's gonna sound good. Okay guys, we're home from the shop with the S197. We did an oil change, oil's good. We did do the exhaust. There's the exhaust we put on. I didn't get a tip for it yet, so I'm gonna go today and try to find a nice tip, but that kind of looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up and do some revs. A little bit. That's how she's sounding, so hopefully that came out good on video. It does crack and pop a lot. I just got to do the intake next. So right now she's exiting that air. We need a good way for air to come in. So right now there's lots of air getting out of there. Now we need to find a way to suck a lot of air in there. So this shit is next video, so stay tuned guys. Yeah, and then before I end the video, I want to say a big thank you to Kabir from 6iX Auto Collision. That is 6 Auto Collision. Big shout out to everybody there. Thanks for the help. Thanks for the muffler place. You guys did amazing. My next video will be in intake. I really do want to do the spacers, but I want to do the intake because I wanted to have that sucking sound and the nice exhaust. Also, it's good for the engine to breathe because it's pushing out a lot of air and I need a lot of air to come in. So I think that will balance it out. So next video will be an intake. I'll probably do it in maybe a week or a week and a half. But stay tuned for that video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Hopefully you guys are learning from my videos and I'm inspiring you to do good and stay positive. And when I was revving the car outside, I just want to let you guys know that it is not tuned or dynoed. So that bangs and crackles you guys are hearing, those little pops, that's straight from the car stock. Basically any modification I did to this car so far, I only had it for 2 months. All I really did was an exhaust, and that's pretty much it. I'm now starting on the car, but just in case you guys are wondering if I tuned it or added a tune or something, no, that's how the car is. There's no cat deletes, there's no, it's not straight piped, it's just an axle back. All I did was cut the muffler, added the one I had, so that bang and crackles you guys hear are from the factory. But I may in the future dyno it or tune it, so the intake and the exhaust and whatever I do to it basically the tune will work everything out and make it a little bit faster. But yeah, that's till the far future. But thank you guys. I appreciate everybody watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. It will help me a lot. And it will also tell me that if you guys are liking what I'm doing, I'd push to do more and show you guys. Leave in the comments if there's something you want me to do. Just, yeah. Thank you guys.